Yes, yes, definitely I will watch later.
Yeah. हिमांशु शेखर,
Yes, sir.
प्लीज आपका बारे में बताओ. यू आर गोइंग टू अडॉप्ट हिंदी और इंग्लिश?
Sir, in both language.
Both
When I'm
language.
comfortable, I skip. I just
Yeah, okay.
switch my.
जैसे
English.
सुविधा आपका start, whatever way it is suitable for you.
Okay, sir. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Himanshu Sekhar from Muzaffarpur, Bihar. Muzaffarpur is very famous for Sahi Lychee. In 2018, Sahi Lychee got GI tag, that is for geographical indication. I did my graduation from Bihar University in BCom in 2016, and I did my 12th from St. David's Muzaffarpur, and I did my 10th from Pristine Children's School in 2010. And my hobby is playing cricket and traveling. This is my brief introduction. If you want to know more, I will be glad to share with you.
Yeah, you are a BCom graduate.
Yes, sir.
2016.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You scored 60.62 marks.
Yes, sir.
After that, you are working somewhere?
No, sir. I'm preparing for the government job.
Government jobs. You are
Yes.
appearing for Bihar government exams also?
No, sir. I'm just applying for the banking examination.
Acha. And also this one. Good, good.
Yes, sir.
What are your core competencies?
Sir, I always looking forward on my strength, and I always give more than 100% on my work,
Mm.
and I easily adapt any kinds of environment easily,
Mm.
and this is my core strength.
यहाँ तो अब अच्छा से दिया है. सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड, टाइम मैनेजमेंट, टीम
Yes, sir.
लीडर, ये सब दिया है. भूल गया आपने?
Yes, sir.
यस. अभी थोड़ा एलाबरेट करके बोलो.
Sir, I'm always work on my strength, and I always cool and calm in every situation, and easily adapt any kinds of environment. And I'm also a good leader, because when I play cricket, I'm the captain of my team.
Oh,
So I'm
cricket. You mean cricket?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good, good, good. अच्छा, आपका फादर क्या करता है?
Sir, my father is farmer.
अच्छा, बिहार में which farming? What is it grown in your field?
Sir, in Bihar, generally wheat or rice, and
No, आपका लैंड में क्या होता है?
sir, wheat or rice.
Wheat और rice. अच्छा, अच्छा.
Yes.
आप लोग का पानी के लिए is there any necessity for using borewell pumps and all that, or आपका
Boring pump, sir, is working in our
bore
land.
pump is used?
Yes, sir.
Oh, अच्छा. What is the depth up to which you would have put the pump?
Sir, I don't know about this because I've never visited my.
How many brothers you have?
Sir, I'm single, and my 3 sisters.
Oh, अच्छा, अच्छा. Good, good.
And all are elder.
Your mother is working or housewife?
No, sir, I'm a housewife.
Very good. आपका पिताजी is doing only farming, or he is doing some other business also?
Sir, farming and agent in Sahara.
He is a
Agent in Sahara.
agent in Sahara Insurance.
Yes, sir, Sahara company.
Sahara company. अच्छा, अच्छा.
It is a deposit types.
अच्छा, अच्छा. Deposit mobilization
Yes.
company. But
Yes,
that
sir.
company only was in problem, na? Both problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's why he left and is only focus on the farming.
Who was the owner of that Sahara? Some man, he was kept in jail and all.
Yes, sir. But right now he is outside jail. In a Right now, I do not recall his name.
Sagara chairman. Subratha Roy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Subrata Roy.
Subratha Roy is the chairman. He was kept in jail and now probably he has been released on certain terms and all that. Good, good.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. You are a commerce graduate.
Yes, sir, yes.
Can you tell me what are the subjects you studied in BCom?
Sir, accountancy, economics. Uh, sir, right now I'm not recall because it's take almost 5 years, so I do not recall all the subjects.
But while going for interview, you need to know that.
Yes, yes, sir. I will definitely go through.
Unless because you are not got employment, you must know about the basics that you have studied today with that chartered accountant guy. I asked the golden rules of bookkeeping. What is the
Yes,
golden?
sir.
You
Yes,
saw
sir,
that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I listen.
So likewise, you must go through the subjects. At least the names of subjects you should remember, na?
Okay, sir. I will definitely go through them.
Do you have the certificates with you now, or it's inside some bureau?
Sir, right now it's my decides.
Yeah, please take it out. Please preserve it carefully. Don't put it here and there.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I will take it out.
Yeah, now take it out. Go to the final semester. Read
Yes,
out
sir.
what are the subjects you studied.
Sir, mm,
No hurry, no hurry.
yes, sir. Yes, I will go through. Uh, mm, Management
Okay.
is one of the subject,
Mm.
and economics development.
Mm.
Uh, yes, uh, and honors paper. There are two honors paper in final.
Mm.
The paper three, accountancy,
Mm.
and Hindi is also is the subject
Mm-hmm.
in the final.
Final year also you study Hindi?
Yes, sir.
Oh, अच्छा ठीक है. Good. Accountancy is what you study. Now tell me one subject in which you are very comfortable if I ask questions.
I definitely comfort in accountants.
You can answer in accountancy?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now tell me what is a trial balance?
Yes, sir.
What is a trial balance?
The trial balance is a balance in which uh, we can see our financial status of the company or the organization,
Mm-hmm.
and there are two sides, uh, debit and credit.
Mm.
So I
Mm.
that that is the trial balance.
See, the definition of trial balance. Trial balance is a worksheet with two columns, one for debits and one for credits.
Yes, sir.
Trial balance is a bookkeeping worksheet in which the balance of all ledgers are compiled into debit and credit account call tools that are equal. A
Yes,
company prepares a trial balance periodically, usually at the end of every reporting period.
Yes.
The general purpose of producing a trial balance is to ensure the entries in a company's bookkeeping system are
Yes.
mathematically correct.
Yes.
So debit and credit, they should tally.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. What is break-even analysis?
Sorry, sir. I don't remember balance.
Break-even analysis is a system, the total sales at which the company starts earning profit.
Yes.
From loss, it starts earning profit. समझ गया?
Yes. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Now tell me something about cash flow, funds flow, then
Uh,
balance sheet.
so I started with the balance sheet. Balance
Yeah,
sheet is the statement to show the financial status of the company or a particular date or a financial year. It is a it is also two-sided, that is debit and credit. In balance sheet, there is no uh, uh, इन बैलेंस शीट ऐसा नहीं है कि उसमें दोनों साइड बराबर होना जरूरी है। अगर बैलेंस शीट बराबर नहीं होता है तो उसमें कैरी फॉरवर्ड करते हैं, जिससे कैरी फॉरवर्ड करके उसको बनाते बैलेंस शीट को। और कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट जो होता है उसमें ओनली कैश रिलेटेड ट्रांजेक्शन एंट्री करते हैं कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट में। एंड वन मोर इज व्हाट वाज द वन मोर।
no, I am telling you funds flow, cash flow, balance sheet. आपने
यस सर,
बैलेंस शीट बता दिया,
यस सर।
then
कैश
funds.
फ्लो सर, कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट जो होता है उसमें ओनली कैश रिलेटेड ट्रांजेक्शन एंट्री की जाती हैं कैश
Hmm,
फ्लो में।
hmm.
एंड द फंड फ्लो, sorry sir, I do not recall fund flow.
Funds flow.
Yes sir.
1 minute. The following are the uses, significance, and benefits of funds flow statement. The financial resources of the company are analyzed in detail and
Yes.
disclose the changes made between the two balance sheet dates. It gives an answer to the question of there is an inadequate liquid cash position in spite of business making more and more profits. It shows the extent of funds were received, the ways of usage for a specific period. It shows the possibility of paying more dividend than current earnings or paying normal dividend in the presence of net loss for the period. The
Okay.
cost of capital of the business can be computed on the basis of source of funds flow statement. It
Okay.
shows the usage of earned profits of the year. बहुत कुछ है इसमें. I am giving
Okay
you
sir.
the link.
Okay sir, I will go through.
Okay.
Yes.
But now you studied management also.
Okay sir.
What is motivation?
Sir, motivation is types of सर, एक मोटिवेशन जो होता है वो सबसे जरूरी चीज है कि अगर आप मैनेजर बन रहे हो तो उसके अंदर आपको सबसे अंदर तो लीडरशिप क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए जिससे कि आप दूसरों को मोटिवेट कर सको। द सेकेंड थिंग इज आप अपने ऊपर जितना ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लोगे और जितने अच्छे से काम करोगे, आपका जो भी सबऑर्डिनेट है वो आपसे देख के मोटिवेट होंगे, जो भी आपके अंदर में है। कभी भी अपना डिसीजन जो है वो अपना डिसीजन कभी भी जो है वो सबका सुन के उसके बाद अपना डिसीजन फाइनल करना, ये मोटिवेशन का काम होता है। आफ्टर दैट
मोटिवेशन से एडवांटेज क्या है?
सर, मोटिवेशन से एडवांटेज है कि सर अगर कोई देख के मुझे मोटिवेट होता है तो हो सकता है कि वो भी आगे चल के मेरे जैसा ही लीडर बने। दैट्स द बेनिफिट ऑफ द मोटिवेशन।
गुड.
उसके बाद सर अगर
No, the motivation helps the employee to feel good about him and his contribution or output will be higher.
यस सर।
Okay.
ओके।
What is a budget?
पार्डन सर।
Budget.
सर, बजट जो है वो पूरे साल के लिए स्टार्टिंग में आती है, जैसे कि अ, अपने इंडिया में 1 फरवरी को रिलीज होती है ये बजट गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा, जो पूरे साल का वो दिखाती है कि मुझे कहाँ कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करना है, कहाँ कहाँ फंड रेज करना है, वो बजट है, उसी को बजट
Budget.
कहते हैं।
Is it that government only will prepare budget or companies
No,
also
sir.
will budget?
Every company or organization as well as state government or central government.
Good. Very good, very good. Have you heard of the term Corporate social responsibility.
Yes, sir, I got.
What is it?
Uh, Please, sir, I do not recall, but I heard about
Corporate.
social responsibility. I heard about, but right now I'm not recall.
Why? Fear हो गया.
Yes, sir.
You are having fear.
No, sir. I do not recall about the corporate social
I am giving the
responsibility right now.
Wikipedia link for that.
Okay, sir.
I am giving the Wikipedia link for that. Corporate social responsibility is a type of international private, that is corporate social. Briefly बताने से क्या है? Companies are making profit using the resources available in the country and all that. So besides they're paying income tax, they are supposed to pay about 2% of their total profit made for certain corporate, for social responsibilities such as maintenance of road, maintenance of parks, then education of people and welfare activities of people living in a particular locality.
Okay.
थोड़ा ज्यादा पढ़ना तो पढ़ लीजिए उसका बारे में.
Okay, sir. We'll go through.
Corporate social responsibility. Good. Now, what do you understand by time management?
Sir, time management is very important for everyone life because if अगर आप टाइम मैनेजमेंट नहीं करते हो तो जो भी काम है आपका, अगर जो भी काम आपको दिया जाता है आपके सीनियर के द्वारा या फिर आपका जो वर्क है ऑफिस में, अगर वो टाइमली नहीं करेंगे तो आपके ऊपर प्रेशर आएंगे और प्रेशर में हमेशा काम जो है वो रॉन्ग होता है, तो इससे इसीलिए टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरीवन लाइफ.
So how are you managing your time? Are you good in time management?
Yes, sir, definitely I will manage my work within the time limit. Yes, sir.
Can you further convince me that you are good in time management by telling certain examples and all that?
Yes, sir. सर, जहाँ मैं ये बैंकिंग का प्रिपरेशन कर रहा था वहीं मैं रीजनिंग का क्लास भी लेता हूँ अपना डे टू डे, मतलब कि जो भी पढ़ाई लिखाई जो कर ली, और वहीं एक क्लब चलता है लाइन्स क्लब के नाम से, वहाँ टेस्ट होते हैं, वो सुपर बैच का नाम है लाइन्स क्लब, उसमें जो भी टेस्ट होते हैं उसका एक टाइम लिमिट फिक्स है कि आपको उस टाइम लिमिट में, वो बहुत सारे बाहर के बच्चे आते हैं जो कि एग्जाम देते हैं उसको, और उसका एक कोऑर्डिनेटर होता है, वो कोऑर्डिनेटर भी मैं ही था ये पैंडेमिक से पहले, और वो कोऑर्डिनेटर का काम था कि जो भी काम है वो एग्जाम जैसे लेना है, क्वेश्चन सेट करना है, रिजल्ट पब्लिश करना है, वो सारा टाइम फिक्स था और उस टाइम के अंदर मैं सब काम करके रेडी करता था. तो ये मेरा एक एक्सपीरियंस है टाइम मैनेजमेंट का. ये मेरे लिए एक पॉजिटिव साइड है कि मैं टाइम मैनेजमेंट आराम से कर सकता हूँ.
Good. So you teach reasoning.
Yes, sir.
Here is a question. Wait, statement 1. Vitamin A is useful to eye.
Yes, sir.
Number 2 statement. Vitamin A is contained in carrot.
Yes, sir.
और एक बार पढ़ते हैं. Vitamin A is useful to eye. Vitamin A is contained in carrot.
Okay, sir.
What is the inference? Therefore, carrot is useful to eye. Inference. Therefore, carrot is useful to eye. A true, B false, C probably true, D probably false, E irrelevant.
Sir, in my point of view, statement 1 is correct.
That is?
Vitamin A is vitamin A is the first statement is what?
Vitamin A is useful to eye.
Yes, sir. Vitamin A is useful to eye.
Vitamin A is contained in carrot, whether it is true or false or probably true or probably false.
Sir, first is true.
First only is true.
Yes, sir.
Which is true?
The first statement is the true.
दे दिया उसका बाद में inference क्या है?
That's why.
New type of question, ना?
Yes, sir.
कुछ नहीं इसमें. Vitamin A is useful to eye. Vitamin A is contained in carrot. So inference is carrot is useful to eye. True.
Okay, sir.
It is true. Where is the doubt about it?
Sir, I do not understand the question probably. That's why.
I know you want to read, then only you can understand.
Yes, sir.
Maybe that is the reason. Doesn't matter.
Yes.
Chhod dijiye. Tell me in what way reasoning is helpful for human life.
Sir, because it is a different types of question in reasoning, like uh, logical questions or memory-based questions, like a puzzle. If you are if your mind is puzzled and अगर आप पजल सॉल्व करते हैं इससे आपका माइंड जो है वो फ्री होता है और ये आपके डे टू डे लाइफ में भी बहुत सारे फायदे पहुंचाते हैं जैसे कि आप इस बहुत सारी चीजों में फंस जाते हैं तो कैसे आप उस चीज को मैनेज करके आप अपने काम को सही समय पे करके और उस चीज से निकलते हैं ये इस चीज में बहुत सारे मदद करते हैं लॉजिकल
Good. Now can you tell me what is the vision and mission of FCI?
Yes, sir. Vision is of FCI is ensuring food security for the citizen of the country.
Good.
And the mission is effective procurement of MSP, storage and distribution of the food grains. This is the vision and mission of the FCI.
Good. Can you tell me something about Institute of Food Security?
And I just only know about.
No, it gives training for the employees of the Food Corporation of India.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And it tries to improve the working of the FCI. FCI training philosophy कुछ दिया है. Human resources are our greatest assets. Training and continuous development of this asset is an important management responsibility. The FCI has always accorded the highest importance.
Okay, sir. Sir, I've searched about the FC, but I do not get information. That's why
you please go through this. It comes under zone. After zones, 5 zones, this is given. Yes. Institute of Food Security.
Yes,
click
sir,
that.
5 zones.
The objectives of IFS is Institute is committed to quality policy, quality objectives of Food Corporation of India.
Okay, sir.
The Institute of Food Security as a center of HRD of Food Corporation will provide a complete solution to the training needs of the executives of corporation.
Okay,
it will provide need-based training to each executive at each level. Institute will strive for continuous improvement. Institute will take up training consultancy arrangement on commercial basis for external clients also.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Who is the minister in charge of FCI?
Yes, sir.
Who is the minister in charge of FCI?
Sir, Mr. Piyush Goyal right now.
Very good. What is the profit made by FCI last year?
The profit made by FCI in last year, I don't remember the exact value.
It's only, see, it is not making profit, it is always making loss only.
In the last year?
Yeah, 1 minute. I will tell you.
Okay.
fci.gov.in, then इसमें जाएगा, about us जाएगा, finance जाएगा, finance and accounts. I don't think they have made any profit. Actually, their losses are high only and they have to be compensated by the government by subsidy. And the main job of finance department is to make out a subsidy statement and collect the subsidy from the government.
Okay.
That's all. Good. Any other questions you have at this stage?
No, sir.
Is this the
Just
first time you are answering me, or you have
yes, sir. It's the first time.
Acha, Pradeep Mahur. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Best wishes. And your interview is on which date?
17th December.
17 December in Noida?
Yes. No, sir. It's Guwahati. I'm applying for the Northeast zone.
Acha. Good. Northeast.
Yes, sir.
Can you name the northeastern states?
Yes, sir. There are 8 states in Northeast: Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Tripura, Sikkim.
What is the reason you are applying for northeastern zone?
Yes, sir. Pardon.
Why are you applying for northeastern?
Sir, there is no any motive behind this. I just applied for the because it's a near about my hometown. So
But
that's why.
Bihar में भी vacancy होता है ना?
Yes, sir. But I think Northeast one is. I'm always. I love traveling, so that's why I am applying for the.
No, or
Northeast.
is it that number of vacancies are more in northeastern? Is it so?
No, sir. No, sir. In Northeastern, there is very less vacancies.
The,
I'm applying for the EWS category, and there is only one vacancy in EWS category.
Ore bhai. You have taken the EWS certificate and all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Satam, no problem. Best wishes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.